Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. After a lot of requests, finally I'm going to make veg sushi for you all. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. These are all the ingredients I'm going to use to make our sushi. First, we have to marinate or pickle our veggie sticks. Add 1 tablespoon castor sugar, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Mix and let it soak in the marinade until we make all our other elements. This is the sushi rice I'm going to use. Wash 1 cup of rice 2 to 3 times. To that, add 2 cups of water and let it boil. Once you see few bubbles, mix it and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover with a lid and let it cook for 15 to 18 minutes. Remove the lid and mix it carefully. We don't have to break the rice grain. Now switch off the flame and add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Mix and keep it aside to cool down completely. To make our mock salmon and tuna fish, I'm using 2 tomatoes. Make crisscross slits and add it into boiling water for just 3 to 4 minutes. We just have to blanch the tomatoes. Peel off the skin and cut it into quarters. Now remove the middle seed part and you get this beautiful tomato flesh which looks exactly like the raw fish used in the authentic sushi. Now place a nori sheet, that is seaweed sheet, on a sushi mat. Add our sushi rice and spread it out evenly all over the sheet. I also tried making it with the regular rice, but it doesn't hold its shape and is not as sticky as the sushi rice. I wasn't able to roll the normal rice. It was falling off the sheet. So according to my experience, you can't use the regular rice and you get sushi rice very easily nowadays. I've mentioned all the product links in the description box below. Since the rice sticks to your hand while spreading, dip your fingers into water and then spread the rice. Place the marinated cucumber sticks, few carrot sticks and sliced avocado. Place them in one line. Now start rolling the mat slowly. Pull the top part of the mat simultaneously so that you get a tight roll. It may look really hard, but all you have to do is roll from one side and pull back from the other side. Now you get this perfect sushi roll. Using a very sharp knife, I'm going to slice the roll. First, slice it from the middle. And we have to make approximately 1 inch sushi. Just look at how you can see each grain of rice very clearly. That means your rice is cooked perfectly. The roll also looks quite good. There are various types of sushi and the one we made was maki sushi, that is rolled sushi. Now we'll make nigiri, which is just rice on which a thin slice of raw or cooked fish is placed. Here instead of fish, I'm using tomato. Of course the taste will be different but it looks quite similar, so it's fine. Just make a bite-sized cylindrical shape of sushi rice and place the tomato over it. You can also use blanched red bell pepper. Now wrap one of the nigiri with a strip of nori sheet. And let's plate it all up. Wow, it looks so pretty.
Ba